Next is letter O. Note, this is the U with the tilde and is pronounced as O. Example, Oshoro, which means porridge. Oshoro. Repeat after me. Oshoro. Next is letter W. Example, Waru, which means potatoes. Waru. Repeat after me. Waru. D, I, J, O and Y do not have any nouns in Kikuyu. Other important letter combinations include MB. Example, Bori, which means goat. ND. Example, Dahi, which means grasshopper. NG. Example, Gui, which means dog. NG with an apostrophe. Example, Ngobe, which means cow. NY. Example, Nyau, which means cat. TH. Example, Dhia, which means antelope. Hope you have enjoyed our introductory series. To enjoy more of these videos, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.